My name is Irene Balikagira. I'm here with my dear wife, Irene Balikagira, who is going to be sharing her story on health living.
I remember I used to eat everything. I didn't know anything about health or exercising. I thought eating a lot of food and all kinds of food was being healthy. I was just mindless about my eating.
The one thing Irene likes cooking, so she really would enjoy her cooking, I remember. And all I would do is do the shopping, and every weekend we look forward to great moments to eat great food. We would invite people into our house, and it was always a party every week, let alone the week. So our fridge would be full of all sorts of food stuff.
And I used not to exercise. I remember one time my auntie he made a comment saying, I look like my husband's grandmother because of my weight. I was so big and I used not be smart in clothes, but I didn't know what to do. Then in 2014, that's when I met Purity at a school. She formed a healthy group. It was a healthy living group. Right now it's called KweraBITS.
And they share quite a number of things. I've seen you take quite a number of juices.
Juices from KweraBITS. I joined the challenge last year, the juicing challenge last year in November for 21 days. And I used to get the juices from KweraBITS. Purity used to give us the juices.
One thing which I think has really the combination of health living in terms of what you take in. For example, being on juice for 21 days. Oh, who can imagine that? Taking juice and no solid food for 21 solid days.
Yes.
And she does that and then goes to the gym, and that combination I think has really worked great.
And I'm so grateful for the group. Our group, the KweraBITS Healthy Living Group, those ladies really motivate me. Sometimes when I'm eating badly, sometimes when I fall a bit, you see the post, the food they're posting and those comments, and also Purity posts, and you get encouraged and you're like, today I need to go back to my healthy living. I feel happier and I feel healthier. My breathing has changed. My lifestyle has really changed. I enjoy eating healthy. I enjoy cooking healthy. Even not cooking healthy for myself, but also for my friends and all the visitors who come around. And I always talk to everyone who comes here about health living. I've got a friend whom I introduced to health living. She's also called Irene. She lives in Ginger. We used to work with her, and she's really adapting to the healthy lifestyle. She has also lost weight. She exercises every day and she eats healthy. I've introduced the healthy living in the family because I've also cut him off sugar. He doesn't take sugar. The children, we are still there. They only take 1 spoon of sugar, very little sugar. But in juices, we don't put sugar. Purity always inspires us every morning. She posts something that will really inspire us, and also she needs our accountability, exercising, the foods. She has always talked to us about food presentation, and I'm also learning how to do the food presentation. And it makes you enjoy the food when you see the food properly presented on your plate.
Yeah,
and yes. And I always, sometimes I don't post on the group, but I side chat her and I send her all my meals, all my accountability, and she's like, yes. And I thank you, Purity, for everything that you've done. You've really been an encouraging person, and you've really inspired me in this health living. I've never been the same ever since I met you.